Hello everyone, how are you all? So I will just am about to say a few things about this magicians and black magic and jinns, dirt they give me and to make my life hell. So I think the people, some people are really, I don't know, not having the understanding that interrupting or interfering with others' business, with others' life, getting too much private with them is really a bad habit. Because once you cannot give anything, why should you be involved with someone else's private affairs? So, like, I would like to say here the message I will give later, but some people, those who are like really talking about me, talking to me, talking about my private stuffs, what I will do, what I should do, how I look, how why I'm doing that. This is too private because this has got to do something with my own self, own ways of doing things, my own privacy, my own hygiene, my own routine, and everything that I do, it's my way, my style. So everybody has their own private style. If you are not with me, you are no one to talk about it. You are no one to tell on me. You are no one to steal from me. But you steal and sell. Many people steal and sell and then make money, but uh, and I don't earn anything. I don't gain anything. So, and then at the same time, you give me permission. You eat. आप खाइए. मेरा ही खाना है. आपका खाना नहीं खाते. आपका पैसों से नहीं जीते हम. आपको इस ये भी कहने का कौन सा हक बनता है, समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आता है. आप मुझसे बात भी कैसे करते हैं, मुझे समझ में नहीं आता है. You are in other world. I am some belonging to some other world. Why would you be mixing up with me? This is called interrupting others, in some interfering with others business. Somehow it means that you are nosy. You're nosy with people, those who don't want you. Stop doing that. Yeah, that's a bad habit, because I don't want you to be in my life, and you don't even want to understand that she doesn't want us in her life, and we use it, give her nothing, and then at the same time you tell me, आप खाना खाइए. आपका खाना नहीं खा रहे. मैं क्या करती हूँ ना करती हूँ, मेरा बाथरूम में जाती हूँ, क्या करती हूँ बाथरूम में, क्या करती हूँ. आप असिस्टेंट नहीं है मेरा. मुझे कोई असिस्टेंट नहीं चाहिए बॉलीवुड का सितारे. यहाँ बहुत सितारा असिस्टेंट मुझे नहीं चाहिए कि बाथरूम में कोई खड़े रहे, बाथरूम में कोई आए. ये गांव नहीं है आपका गांव. आप गांव से उठ के आ सकते हैं. मैं गांव से, मैं भी गांव से ही बिलोंग करती हूँ, पर हम लोगों का सीख ऐसा नहीं है. वी लर्नड, वी स्टडीड. Okay, so we don't interrupt or interfere with others' business, what they do in their privacy, in their private life. This is like disturbing. Yeah, this is disturbing. You see, I am sitting in my place. I don't go to anyone's house, anyone's room, anyone's. If I'm not invited there, if I'm not living with them, if they're not my friends or colleagues or my family, I will. Even if with my family, I don't go so close with them. What they're doing into so much details of others. So this is really a bad habit. आपको कितना पैसा मिलता है ये सब करते हुए, समझ में नहीं आता. कितना पैसा में बिकता है ये सब कट करके. इतना घटिया क्यों है आप लोगों का आदत? Why are you so badly, like you have some such kind of bad habits and nature? Someone gets irritated. Okay, I'm not a baby child that who cannot do anything. Everything I achieved in my life, you destroyed everything without making others down, degrading others, making giving dirt. You cannot shine in your life. This is something really terrible. And then by doing that, you embrace people in such a way they cannot even say no to you. And then you think, oh, they love me, but they don't. Okay, maybe they do love you, but then they are your character. They have the same character as you do. So stop mixing with me. Okay, stop mixing with me. आप लोगों का ये गंदगी वाला जो बात है ना, मिक्सिंग नेचर, मेरे लिए बोझ है. इस्तेमाल और कितना करेंगे, और कितना कमाएंगे. लूटते हैं आप, विदेशियों को लूटते हैं आप.